Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at Nom Nom Paleo, Food for Humans, over 100 NOMTASTIC recipes. And this is by Michelle Tam and Henry Fong. So here on the front cover, we can see here the title, as well as an illustration, the authors on the binding, similar illustration, title, authors, and McMeel Publishing logo there. If we look on the back, we can see some reviews, kind of in a cartoon style. And barcode and pricing information at the time. There's really not a dust cover. Here you can see it's actually an applique onto here, but it's actually printed on. And this is Andrews McMeel Publishing, and a little bit more information there. If we flip back to the front, similarly, it simulates a dust cover with the introduction there, kind of, and some more reviews as well. And here we can see kind of this background formed of smaller images, which then from a distance takes on a more tile pattern. It's kind of interesting. Here we can see the contributors here and a title page in photographic style, more stock photography, and then another title page there. And here we have our publishing information. This is from 2013, Andrews McMeel Publishing. And over here, see your dedication page, more stock photography, and our contents. So if we actually jump to the back at our index here, even before that, here you can see some conversions. Index goes on for several pages. And then we see more stock photos. This actually looks like a t-shirt. And here we can see here kind of a index of recipes. So flipping back to the front, you can see here's going to be lots of photography, kind of that cartoon comic illustration style, as you can see. And you can see here recipes, as well as a lot of stories to read along with. And again, a lot of photography. So a lot of cool stuff to look at in here. But again, just taking a very quick look at Nom Nom Paleo, Food for Humans, over 100 NOMTASTIC recipes by Michelle Tam and Henry Fong. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milk syrup tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.